ठीक है. अभी now we are seeing this marketing cloud next org. ठीक है. Now what I am showing, see here. So we have a campaigns, right? In legacy version, this old data, older version, we create the campaigns, right? ठीक है. देखो. So I told you uh, about the sorry, data lake object and data model object, right? Now I'm moving towards campaigns. ठीक है. So campaign is the part of marketing cloud, right? अभी मैंने क्या बताया था आपको, डेटा क्लाउड, राइट? आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट द डेटा क्लाउड, राइट? दैट इज डीएमओ एंड डीएलओ. ठीक है. नाउ आई एम टेलिंग यू अबाउट द कैंपेन्स. सो व्हाट आर द कैंपेन्स एंड हाउ दिस कैंपेन्स विल वर्क, है ना? सो यू नो वी क्रिएट सम कैंपेन्स. अंडर दैट कैंपेन वी वर्क and send the emails. Sometimes through that campaign we run some journeys, we run some automations, right? We send some SMS, WhatsApp message, right? So all under the campaigns, right? So how campaign represent in marketing cloud next? What I am telling you now, how campaigns represent in the marketing cloud next. Okay. So coming here, and I am going to the campaigns. Okay. So inside that campaigns, we can create new campaigns. It can be child campaign. This is not a data cloud. This is marketing cloud next. Just telling you about the campaigns. Okay. So parent campaign or partner lead campaigns, right? So I'm creating one child campaign. Next. So demo campaign 1. Okay. Description, campaign for rainy season sale. PAIGN. Okay. Now, what is the start date? Same way, whatever the campaigns, if we have some parent campaigns, we can select, right? So what is the type? Now see, here in our marketing cloud, okay, when we create campaign, it asks you name, description, right? Deployment date, campaign owner, campaign tags, right? But here, see, it is asking for the type, okay, more advanced, like email campaign or telemarketing campaign or advertise campaign or banner ad campaign or seminar conferences or public relations or partner campaigns, referral program, right? Or other. Okay, so just I'm taking email campaign. Now, what is the start date? What is the end date? So taking start date and taking the end date. Any? Okay. Now I'm making this active. What is the budget of this campaign, right? So if I go to the sales cloud, okay. See, this is a campaign is the mixture of sales and marketing cloud. Okay. So if I go to the sales cloud, okay. So in sales cloud, those who know, they can understand. There is a campaign object. Okay. Here in the sales cloud, we have a campaign object. So go to campaign object. Now here I'm in a sales cloud. So creating new campaign. Okay. New campaign. So see, same way we can create in the sales cloud. ठीक है. तो जब सेल्स क्लाउड में काम किया है, सो आई वर्कड ऑन दिस कैंपेन ऑब्जेक्ट, राइट? सो व्हाट दे डिड, सेल्स क्लाउड कैंपेन्स come up with the marketing cloud and sales cloud combination into the marketing cloud next. Got it? So here types are coming from, एक 1 second. So here these campaigns are coming from the, okay, sales cloud and this. So here leads in the campaign, right? Whatever the leads budget, okay. So whatever the revenue budget, right? Expected revenue for the campaign, right? So actual cost of the campaign, right? So campaigns, we run the campaigns, right? So banner ad, so we create some banners, so banner having some costing, right? So all we can add here and we can save. Okay, so once I saved the campaign, right, inside the campaign only, here we have a everything. Like, see, in details, this is the campaign detail, right? In briefs, we can create the agents. Okay, here briefs are related to the agents. Agent force are the brief. Okay, then see here why I am telling you this. See here, so here we have a identity resolution, profile explorer, right? These comes from segmentation, right? This comes from data cloud, right? These briefs are come from the agent force, right? These are the consents. You know what all opt-outs, separation list, right? So here all type of consents are managed here. Email opt-out, right? SMS opt-out, whatever opt-out, preference centers we are managing there in the our legacy version. So all that things are here in the consent. Okay, identity resolution, profile explorer comes from the data cloud, right? So without data cloud you cannot understand these all, huh? So I must say, please go through some trailhead of that data cloud and try to understand some key points, okay, so that we will cover up it very fast, है ना? So contacts. Okay, I'm coming to the campaign again, one second, huh? Today I'm going to tell you about this all campaign, huh? Just telling, then we will develop some stories here, huh? Now related, if it is related to any campaign, right, that comes here. Okay, so see, related to these campaigns, I can have a landing pages, I can have a list emails, marketing forms, marketing links, right? Content block, we created, right? Content block, code snippets, right? So if I have some snippets, script and SSJS like that, right? So snippets I can create from here. Okay, snippets I can create, different types of codes I can write there. Okay, so I can have a new snippets. One second, huh? So here I can write the codes and all. Okay, closing this, just we will go to that later on, just telling you. So we can create some landing pages here where I'm in the campaign. Okay, so I'm in a campaign. So see, whenever I create one campaign and I create any landing page, so what will be the clicks of that that landing page, specific that landing page, that will be the total click, unique click, uh, total form errors, right? Unique form error. See, if I have to find out this in the my marketing cloud old org, how can I manage? There are only way. They go to the data view, write a query on the data view and take that data, right? But here they manage everything very properly and very systematic way. Okay, so you can get a reports on the basis of that. Okay, so clicks, opens, views, right? Uniques. So all data will be come here only. Okay, what was the link, right? Unpublished redirect link. Okay, so here we have a email list, landing pages, right? Where I am, see here, I am here in the related. Okay, then campaign members. Okay, whatever the data I am having, right? All contacts. Okay, so I can import the lead and contacts, manage campaign members, right? So this is nothing but the contact builder data. You can say whatever the we have here in the contact builder, right? So that is here only. Okay, so we add the members. Okay, then flows. Here we create the flows. Here we create the agents through the briefs. Okay, duplicating this. So here we have a briefs. Okay, we can create the briefs. So briefs are nothing but agents. Okay, okay, we write some rules, right? We write some goal, right? We write audience segmentation, right? Brand So accordingly, this will suggest us, है ना? So there are briefs, agent force are, and then flows. Okay, flows. We call that agents into the flows, right? From here, we create our journey. Okay, so we create here journey. Okay, like this. Okay, email test. I'm selecting anyone. Okay, edit, open journey. Okay, so see how journey is looking here. अरे सॉरी, हाँ ये नहीं लेना चाहिए था मुझे. Taking another one. जनरल सिंपल एपीआई नहीं होना चाहिए, नहीं तो मार्केटिंग क्लाउड. आई मस्ट कनेक्ट हियर मार्केटिंग क्लाउड और. ठीक है, सो दिस आई कैन ओपन. Okay, these are from the marketing cloud. Actually, these journeys are coming here from the marketing cloud. That's why it is asking me to log in into the marketing cloud.
Yeah, it will show direct. It will redirect into the MC marketing
Yes.
cloud old journey only.
Journey only. Yes. If I have that access of marketing cloud org, then I can go to that directly. Otherwise, it shows you syntax like a email template. Wait for one day, then again email templates. Right. I will connect
I
with the
have
marketing cloud and I will show you. Yes. Yes,
I
Supriya.
have question over here. Okay, so this is created in the MC older. Okay,
Huh.
but why we are adding this over here? Because
See,
it will run automatically in the MC old version.
my old version is deprecating now. My client want they have their data into the different platforms, right? So now they are not paying for the exact target. They don't want to pay for the both platform. They want everything in one platform, right? So that time this that is means they are switching from the legacy version to the new version. ठीक है, तो
Yes.
इधर का पूरा वहां लेके जाना पड़ेगा ना. समझा ना?
But
तो
see, no,
हाँ,
no. My question is, everything is built in over here in this org.
yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
But directly we are adding that journey to MC next
Hmm.
journey
Hmm.
or whatever say you can say campaign.
हाँ.
But ये ही deprecate हो रहा है, तो how will it will work over there? If this is not working.
मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल बताती हूँ. ठीक है, मैं एक घर में रह रही हूँ. ठीक है, अभी मैंने नया घर परचेस किया. इफ आई परचेस न्यू घर, न्यू हाउस, राइट? सडनली आई कैन नॉट लेफ्ट माय ओल्ड वन and suddenly I cannot shift to the new one, right? It takes some time.
Okay.
बंद कर. हाँ, ठीक है. So I can shift from the see. I will see my new house, right? I see where is journey in the new house, right? Then taking this journey, putting into the new house, right? Taking this data
Yes.
extension, putting into the DMO. Are you understanding? So
Yes.
this we will take. This is the only work right now we have to do in this 1 year, right? Client cannot purchase these both org, right? But
Okay.
whenever we tell them कि भाई यहाँ पे तो इतनी सारी चीजें हैं, ये जो है marketing cloud next, here we have a so many advantageous things because agent directly creating, agent directly showing you what will be the profitable for running your journey, what templates you must choose, what type of data you choose, right? So everything we are shifting now here. Okay, so this journey is also shifted here. Supriya, got it?
Okay, so later on we have to create flows from these journeys.
Actually, I think it will be created automatically.
Automatically. Okay.
आपको पता है क्या लोग वर्कफ्लो एंड प्रोसेस बिल्डर था and then it is shifted to the flows.
Yes.
You know
I
workflow and
know.
है ना?
Yes. Workflows I know and process builder also.
So इधर कैसे ऑप्शन आया देखो, ठीक है? माइग्रेट ऑन टू द फ्लो, है ना? ऐसा ऑप्शन आया जब ये डेप्रिकेट होने जा रहा था. माइग्रेट टू फ्लो ऐसे लिख के आया था. Then we click on the migrate to flow. So workflow will convert it into the flow. So same way, journeys are coming here, but that are storing into the flow automatically.
Okay, automatically. Okay,
These are
got
not
it. Now
created.
I got
See,
it.
in the
I thought,
afternoon, no.
uh,
In the afternoon, just we in the afternoon only we call this in this org from the marketing cloud org.
okay.
These are called from the
I was
marketing.
thinking that we have to create
No, no.
later on using this journey. So we are
अभी अपन फ्लो
just calling
देखो
it from
अभी
that.
अपन फ्लो अभी जब अपन अभी सेगमेंटेशन इवेंट्स ये सब पढ़ेंगे है ना सो देयर आर
Yes,
डिफरेंट
yes.
टाइप्स ऑफ फ्लोज है ना एक एक टॉपिक
Yeah.
देखेंगे राइट कि फ्लोज के कौन से टाइप है व्हाट टाइप ऑफ फ्लोज वी कैन क्रिएट लाइक
Mm-hmm.
flows how can we call those flows into the agents right then agent and flow
Mm-hmm.
how they will work for the journey and then finally journey will create it ठीक है ऐसा होगा
Okay.
समझा तो
Mm-hmm.
I'm
Got it.
just telling here you कि here see some part from the sales cloud like a contact leads are from the sales cloud prospects these are from the Pardot okay so some things are from the sales cloud something from are the Pardot right something from the
Mm.
these campaigns from the sales and campaign from the marketing cloud this flows from the sales cloud right these consents these all things from the data cloud right and these things are from the
Yes.
data cloud
Data
okay
cloud.
without learning data cloud thoroughly then agent force and then flows you cannot understand in fact you must have a knowledge of these all studio then only
Yes, yes,
we can learn this marketing cloud next got it
yes.
ओके सो आज के लिए वाइंड अप करते हैं ना आज आज के लिए अपन वाइंड अप करते हैं समझा गॉट इट
Yes. So we
समझा
can create campaigns and brief manually as well and by agent as well.
These briefs are the agents we go to the agents and then we create the agents right we can create the flows from here also or we can go to the here
Yeah,
to the
directly in the flows also.
so we can go to the flows we can create the flows right we can create the new flow there are
New
different
flows.
type of flows right like a auto launch flow triggered event